Hello everyone, welcome to French Now. Love is in the air, and it's the perfect time to try out your French on your loved ones. So in this video, we will learn some words you can use to express love in French. Let's start with Je t'aime, I love you. You might have heard this one before. This is used between people with strong emotional connections. You can use this for your loved ones, for example, your family members, and of course, for the love of your life. In French, this is a strong statement, so it's better not to use it with someone you just met or even in a professional setting, such as to your colleague or your teacher. For people you like, you can use Je t'aime bien. I like you. This is one much lighter in terms of emotion, and you can use this with your teacher or colleague, or even a person you just started liking. You can also use Je t'apprécie, I like you, or Je t'apprécie beaucoup, I like you very much. For your friends, you can use Je t'adore, I adore you. It expresses your fondness towards them, like saying, I enjoy your presence and company. Now that we have learned the basics, let's look at words you could use to get things going with the person you like. Tu me plais. I like you. Je me sens bien avec toi. I feel good with you. These are great options to drop in a conversation to set the air. If you want to flirt a little, you could use Tu as de beaux yeux. You have beautiful eyes. J'aime ton sourire. I love your smile. Tu es très élégant. You are very elegant. J'aime ton style. I like your style. J'adore ton humour. I love your humor. Tu as beaucoup de charme. You have a lot of charm. If you want to level up and use a more direct expression, you could use Je suis sous ton charme, I'm under your spell. J'ai un coup de cœur pour toi. Or, J'ai un coup de foudre pour toi. I have a crush on you. If you are already engaged or you are almost there, you could use Tu es mon âme sœur. You are my soulmate. Tu es l'amour de ma vie. You are the love of my life. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur. I love you with all my heart. To express some sense of sincerity towards your loved one, you could use J'ai besoin de toi. I need you. Tu me manques. I miss you. Here are some other options you could use depending on your situation. Tu es mon âme sœur. You are my soulmate. Je t'aimerai toute ma vie. I will love you all my life. Je veux passer ma vie avec toi. I want to spend my life with you. Je ne peux pas vivre sans toi. I can't live without you. Finally, if you want to ask someone out, you could use Est-ce que tu veux sortir avec moi? Do you want to go out with me? Today's Valentine special lesson ends here. What's your favorite word you learned today? Which one are you going to use? Let us know in the comments section. See you in the next video.